In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join and share content in a Microsoft Teams meeting using the Teams web app. Whether you're connecting for a business meeting or a casual catch-up, knowing how to effectively share your screen or other content can make a huge difference in communication. So, let's get started by walking you through each step to make this process as seamless as possible. First things first, you need to join your meeting using a compatible browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. These are generally recommended for the best experience, as they're fully supported by Teams and will ensure that all features work smoothly. Once you've joined your meeting, you'll see the main toolbar at the bottom of the screen. This includes controls for muting yourself, turning your camera on or off, and more. But today, we're focusing on how to share content with other meeting participants. On this toolbar, you'll find an icon that looks like an upward arrow or a small rectangle with an arrow. This is the Share Screen icon. Go ahead and click that, and it will open up several options for sharing. Here's where you can decide exactly how you want to share content with your meeting participants. You have a few different choices here. You can share your entire screen if you want everyone to see exactly what you see, from your desktop wallpaper to every app you're using. This can be particularly useful if you're moving between different applications and want to keep everything visible to your participants. Alternatively, you might prefer to share just a specific window. This can be more secure and focused, especially if you're only presenting content from a single app or document. Maybe you're showing something from a Word document or a specific web page. In that case, sharing a single window might be your best bet. Another exciting feature is the option to share a PowerPoint presentation directly. With PowerPoint Live, you can maintain more control over your slides while interacting with your audience. You can also share a whiteboard for a more interactive session, which is perfect for brainstorming or drawing out ideas. If you're planning to share content that includes audio, like a video clip or music, you'll want to turn on the Include Computer Sound option. This ensures that everyone in the meeting can hear the audio from your computer, providing a more integrated experience. Once you begin sharing, take note of the red border that appears around your shared content. This visual cue indicates that your screen is currently being shared, which is a handy way to confirm everything is working as expected. When you're ready to stop sharing, simply click the Stop Sharing button on the Meeting Controls toolbar. This will end the content sharing and bring you back to just communicating through audio or video. So, that's it. An easy yet essential guide to sharing content in a Teams meeting. I hope you found this helpful and that you feel more confident in navigating your next Teams call. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.